Friday, May 26th. Kelly Shaw and I are about to take off from Pine Ridge in Kountze, Texas. We're on our way to Hot Springs, Arkansas. Made about 240 miles, or about a mile south of Maud, Texas. Kelly flagged me down. Come to find out that the drain plug on the motorcycle had vibrated loose and all the oil started leaking out. Fortunately, he was able to go to Maud, Texas and find me some oil, fill her back up, and we headed back out. Here we are crossing the Red River, which is north of New Boston. We're about to enter into Arkansas. We traveled on Highway 8 into Arkansas, then it becomes Arkansas Highway 41. Made it here to Foreman, Arkansas. We went east on Highway 108. Here we turned off on a County Road 60, eventually turned off on County Road 40 headed north. Riding on Arkansas Highway 59 now, headed northeast. Here we turned on to Highway 27, headed to Mineral Springs, Arkansas. Here we're pulling into Mineral Springs, Arkansas. Nice little town. Still on Highway 27. Next stop, Nashville, Arkansas. Came across a group here riding on some Harleys where we filled up with gas in Mineral Springs. Now we're in Murfreesboro, Arkansas. Pulling in to Kirby, Arkansas, about to head east on Highway 84. Went through a little town called Amity, and then took Amity Road basically all the way to Hot Springs. Here we are arriving at Hot Springs. Covered 393 miles, about 8 hours and 15 minutes from Pine Ridge. It was a gorgeous day in Hot Springs. I think they call this Lake Hamilton here at Hot Springs. Thanks for riding along. See you next time.